this is Lester, our driving instructor.
Don't drive to Manila, stay here.
I feel like everybody's watching.
Everybody is watching. Nelly, you break it, you buy it.
Slowly, oi!
Wait.
Good morning guys, what's going on? Welcome to a very early Thursday morning in the city of Calamba, Laguna. Nelly and I came out here today because there's something very special going on.
Yeah.
Because we both got our Philippine licenses just a few weeks ago. Now it is time for Nelly to get certified to ride a motorcycle. I wanted to teach Nelly myself, but the law says we have to have a driving school teacher, so that's fine.
That's fine.
Nice thing is we come to get out to the beautiful area around Laguna to do our driving course. This was actually the only driving school that I found that are operational at the moment and that are able to do the driving course according to the new government regulations. So it's 8 hours that we have to do. So we'll do it this morning, tomorrow, and on Saturday. And then on Monday, we can take the driving exam, or you can take the driving exam at the LTO.
And I'm very happy that Mike is here with me for emotional support.
and more driving probably than
Yeah, it's good to be here with you.
Yeah.
And you guys.
Okay, so we just got our enrollment all sorted out, and now we're actually here at the actual driving course, which looks like this. Nice backdrop with the mountains.
Yeah.
Perfect weather.
So nice.
And
Nice team.
Nelly's going to learn how to drive a manual transmission properly.
Yes. Because I can ride a scooter easily, but I need to learn how to, ride your bike.
Yes.
Also, guys, this is Lester, our driving instructor.
The motorcycle. Good morning.
So he will teach me how to drive.
Yes.
Yeah. I gave Nelly a little bit of a crash course with our motorcycle in the parking garage, which actually I have some clips. I'll put them in. I'll put them in here.
Okay, we got the theoretical part. Lester did such an amazing job. Thank you so much. And yeah, I'm just studying the signs because some of them are partly in Tagalog, like this one. And then it's time for the practical driving. I discovered your biggest enemy.
What's my biggest enemy?
This one.
Is it the yellow box or is it the no U-turn? That is the question.
Yellow box and U-turn is very crucial.
Nelly is gearing up.
Safety first. Yes. Good thing is we already had that all at home.
Yeah.
So we just brought our own safety helmet, gloves.
Yeah.
We're just looking for a word. It's too early.
So in future road trips, when we're doing a road trip on the motorbike, Nelly can drive while I edit the vlog on the back of the motorbike.
Okay, so bridge.
Yeah.
Turn. Then left. Then slow. Then straight and right. Then go to the bridge again. Okay.
Nelly, don't drive to Manila, stay here.
Okay, with this one?
This one.
Okay.
Nelly, first you gotta come, you gotta...
Yeah.
Now check the mirrors. Brakes and side mirror.
I feel like everybody's watching.
Everybody is watching. Nelly, you break it, you buy it.
Yes.
Come on, take it.
Is it one?
Loading, ma'am, sir. So one down.
One down, yeah.
Two down, ma'am.
Same like our bike.
Okay, so it's
One down,
yeah.
2, 3, 4, 5.
Five,
Does
yan.
it show here?
Lahat yan, bro. Puro yan. The first gear.
All down.
All down.
All down.
All down.
Oh, 34. But if I do...
All the way up for neutral.
Okay, maybe can get a
Slowly, oi.
Wait.
So shift to the side gear, slowly roll on the throttle. Okay. So squeeze, then okay. Clutch lever in. Then shift to the side gear, then slowly roll on the throttle while slowly.
Okay, how was my driving? Yes? Yeah, I'm used to motorcycles like this one. Scooter? Yeah, but I said I specifically want to learn the manual clutch. Yes. Wow. I want to go there. What a picturesque scenery, huh?
Yes, very beautiful.
Yeah.
Maganda.
We just heard that we can hike there.
Yeah.
Well, not right now.
Not today. But
When things are normal.
yeah.
Looks really, really stunning. We just headed back to the office to pick up our bags. And then that was it for today. Something that we realized earlier on, the people here from the office are watching our vlog. So it's really cool.
Thank you. Have a
Thank
nice
you.
day.
See you tomorrow. Yeah, I just met.
Take care. It means take care.
Thank
See you
you.
tomorrow. Such nice people.
Very nice. And also they got like very good equipment. They got brand new motorbikes, brand new cars, which is always good when you're doing lessons.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ah, whew. So they actually have this little entrance cabin where you just walk through and it sprays some alcohol onto you. Mike got a fright.
Every time we went through.
Yeah. So how was it?
Good.
Yeah?
How was it for you? That is the question.
It was fun. Lester started in Taglish.
Yeah.
And we understood half. So we told him, oh, okay, we switched to English, and that was no problem. So it was fun. It was just fun to hear everything in Taglish and also get a little bit used to, you know, the names and everything. But oh, I'm super excited for tomorrow. Woo! How did I do? Let me know in the comments down below. Okay guys, we are back at home and I am super tired and exhausted. It was super hot today and I missed Peanut, yes. And it was quite an experience, very different from what I remember from Austria. It has been a while, you know, I'm like over 30. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. It was very casual. We were focusing mainly on the driving lessons, so we weren't doing any fancy cinematics or anything in this vlog. Very casual. I hope I will see you in the next few days. Subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to see how my driving lessons are going to proceed and if I will pass the driving exam. Very nervous about that. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Same time, same place. Remember to stay awesome, be positive, and make it happen. Bye-bye.